What is going on today, guys? Today we are going to be trying something new on my car. I am going to be spray painting the engine cover and the crash braces in here. These things. Because I want to just try something new and see how it looks. So I'm going to be visually transforming this. So let's pop the hood. So I'm going to be spray painting this. And then I have to take the bumper off to get to the crash braces. This I don't know how to remove, so I'm going to have to look at it. This right here is the color I'm using. It matches up with the car pretty dang well. Okay, what do I need to do to remove the engine cover? Apparently it's just a pop. I want to break it, but it's not coming off. Nope, there it's one. Oh, it is literally just a pop-off. I'm gonna wash this. Disgusting. Okay, now for the fun part. The front bumper. There are 5 T25 bolts. Here's T25 socket, T25 bolt. And it really is just tedious work. There we go, that's one. Loose. Yep, that's loose. That's one. I'll do the other 5 and pick it up. That looks to be all 5 screws, so right. Should probably look up what I'm doing now. Alright, this process is a little bit more involved than I thought. I have to remove those on both sides, the fender flares. And then I can reach the 2 bolts here and on the other side to get this off. And I have to remove the turn signal housing and the fog light. It's gonna be fun. So North American Motoring says use a flathead screwdriver to pry this open. I'm not entirely certain how to do that. I don't want to break it though. Okay, I found a better way to do this that doesn't require taking off the full bumper. Apparently you can take off just this front trim part, which I figured you could because it doesn't look attached. But first you have to remove this piece right here, right along where it separates. So if I take the screwdriver, separate those. Come on. Clip, there we go, that is much easier. This one does not want to come off but this entire time. There we go. Ooh, don't break. That is so much easier. Wow, yeah, that's much easier. So I take that off. Disgusting. So I need to remove this right here. And then I think I'm going to remove this first before I get to the actual crash brace. So here along the back side of the grill are clips, which I can't seem to get. Come on. They go up instead of down. They go up. That's why pushing them isn't going to work. I need a flashlight. Huh. My hands are too big to do this. Ooh, I think I got that one. Yeah, that one's loose. Why must BMW over-engineer everything? Okay, change of plans. I was messing about with that, and I was able to just pop this off a little bit. This is held on with a bolt right here, which is why I wasn't able to get it all the way. But I think I can just get the front of these off and get to the actual bolts for the bumper. I have to find the right size bolt out of all of these. Let's see. Oh. There it is. It's going to be so much easier to do on the other side because this one right here, I'm up against the wall obviously. This is far over as I can get because my garage is ridiculously small for my space. Okay, it looks like I just have a couple more flat clips to undo. Come on. Okay, I've moved out onto the driveway. And I think I'm just gonna give up on trying to get the bumper off. Because in here, I can literally just reach and put the bolt right there. So, okay, this one's the easy one. Oh. Assuming I don't strip it out, jeez. Oh, there we go, jeez. There we go. Oh, was it in there? All of that for a piece of basically aluminum. Okay, so I'm going to clean these both off. I'm going to tape over the mini right here and the mini right here on this. And then we're going to spray paint them. Yeah, let's do that. Okay, this is like the 8th or 9th time I've tried taping this over. Okay, here we go. So I've got the bar set up there for spray painting. I've got that set up there for spray painting. Gotta dust this off again. Oh crap. Okay, well, we're just gonna deal with that. I'm leaving these like this because I figure once they're spray painted over, they'll have the same effect. So let's go grab the paint. Shake it up, keep shaking. Okay. Let's do this. Back my camera up. I went and found sandpaper while these were drying, and now I'm gonna just scuff off basically anything that's looking rough, like up here. The crossbar, shoot, fly, looks pretty much done. So I'm going to reinstall this because the weather just changed and it's looking pretty stormy. I can always, since the popping off the engine cover is so easy apparently, I can always just redo that, but I'm going to get this crossbar fixed up, put this back on the car. Make sure it's dry first. Yep. Okay, so here's just a quick preview fitting. Just want to see what this looks like. Go in there. Oh, that looks awesome. Okay, I need to grab the bolts. Let's get these in by hand. Once they're in by hand, I can grab the wrench and put them in all the way. That's tightened all the way by hand. Yep, that's tight. That's tight. And that's tight. There we go. That's all the way on. Putting this back on is going to be interesting. Actually, that wasn't that bad. That was actually actually really easy. Like, you don't really see it, and you step back. Still don't really see it. There it is. So beyond subtle. And it matches so dang well. Like, look at that. It's just a darker version of it. That's awesome. Now I just gotta put those screws back on. There we go. Now I just gotta put the engine cover back on once it gets sanded up and all. Okay, so I did some more sanding and spraying, and honestly, it's not looking great. Oh, that's too bright. There, you can see it right there. It's not looking too great. I might just call it good once this coat dries and have my dad help me with it once he gets back home, because he's a much better spray painter than me. You know, I think I earned a spot on the Top Gear ambitious but rubbish with this one. Also, yard's gonna be blue for about a month now. Maybe longer, depending on if I decide to redo this, which I probably will. Hopefully next thing I have planned, more to come on that soon, will be better than this, because that's no. The braces are yes, that's no. Let's try this. Just set that there. Line it up. And that's on there. I'm gonna get a cold air intake there, and when I get that, I'm also gonna get this. I'm gonna spray paint this once I put the cold air intake, because I have to remove this while I'm putting in the intake. So I reckon I spray that while I'm putting in the intake. The theory is great. The execution was rubbish. That's just because I don't know how to spray paint. But that right there, so beyond subtle. And it looks so good because of it. So, that is going to wrap it up for me. That was stupidly difficult. Anyways, if you liked the video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. My question for you today, what's the stupidest thing you've done to your car? Like, in terms of modifications like this? So until next time, goodbye.